Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're thinking about why I'm wearing a hat inside indoors, well, I'm having a bad hair day from last few days, and as there's no barbers or hairstylists here because of quarantine, I can't do my hair. I'm sorry you have to deal with this for a few videos, I feel now. So, did you have this problem that you see this one good outfit that someone wears, a celebrity or your friend or someone, it could be anyone, and you try to replicate that outfit? You wear every single thing the same as he had did it, and even after you replicate it very well, you see that you look nowhere as good as the other person. Now, why does this happen? Because you don't dress according to your body shape, and that is what I'm going to teach you in today's video, to how to dress according to your body type. Streetwear edition. Here's a shout out for Devansh Soni. Thank you so much for that comment and also that question. I've had this question before, but let me tell you guys, I'm not gonna continue on that old channel because, well, I'm not passionate about that content anymore. What I'm passionate about is really fashion, streetwear. I want to make this popular in India. That is what I'm passionate about. And looking back at that channel, I don't feel I did a very good job in terms of content. I also want to make people aware about why dressing up or looking good, looking attractive is very important. It's directly correlated to your success. If you don't know why, subscribe to this channel because a video about it is coming soon. So stay tuned for that. And if you don't know anything about streetwear, I have this playlist going on that you can watch right now, where in this series I'm gonna teach you everything about streetwear and street fashion in general. So you can go and click the icon right here, or you can go in the description where I've linked it down below. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So in terms of body types, there are three major types of body types. As you can see in the pictures, the first one is endomorph, the second is mesomorph, and the third one is endomorph. So these three body types are different types of body proportions that most of the people have. So what we have to keep in mind, we have to balance out our body shape through our clothing. So how do you do that? Well, let's start with the first body type. Starting with the ectomorph body type, here the height is really well. Even if you are a guy with an average height, you will still look relatively tall because of the less mass, and you look just kind of tall when you're an ectomorph, or you're skinny basically. So what you people have to keep in mind is you need a little bit of extra mass, you need a little bit of width in your body proportions, and you have to do it through clothing. So go for baggy clothing. Basic streetwear. If you're not into streetwear, I have made a separate video on basic streetwear outfits, which you can watch and just wear the items I suggest you. You can also wear hoodies, jackets, sweatshirts, etc. to give you that overall balanced look. Even in terms of joggers or denims, make sure you go for a baggy fit denim or joggers, which is going to make you look more proportional. Well, I know it's not the right time to wear sweatshirts and hoodies and all those stuff in all of this garmi, it's really bad right now and it's gonna get worse in a few months. So don't worry, because I'm coming up with a summer street style video that is gonna come in a few days, and you can watch that and use those clothing items. So there's one thing you also have to remember. You don't want to wear skin fit clothing because it's gonna make you appear more skinny. So go for mostly baggy fits, don't go for skinny fit clothing. Also, you should go for horizontal striped shirts or t-shirts or whatever it is, because it's gonna give you a little bit of visual width. You shouldn't go for vertical stripes because it's gonna make you appear more taller and more skinnier. So don't go for them, go for horizontal stripes. You also shouldn't wear half sleeve t-shirts or shorts. If you are a lot on the skinnier side, if you are really skinny, it's gonna turn out to be a bad look. So don't go for any short sleeve t-shirts or shorts if you are on a very skinnier side. The second body type we are gonna talk about is endomorph. Here we already have the mass we want, well, a little more than we actually want. You people should completely avoid baggy clothing. It's gonna add up that width. That thickness is gonna be more prominent when you wear baggy clothes. So don't go for baggy clothes. Here you should go for normal fit clothes. As you can see, DJ Khalid is perfect representation of this body type, and he pulls off this really well without looking more overweight or something. He goes for regular fit clothing, and that's the key here. You should go for regular fit clothing, whether it's jeans, joggers, your sweatshirts or whatever you're wearing. It should be a regular fit, not a skinny fit one either. You should avoid skinny fit clothes. Also, you should avoid very baggy clothes. What you should go for is regular fit clothes. And because of this extra width, most of the times you people could look, well, shorter than you already are. Even if you have an average height, you would look relatively short because of the extra mass. So here you can do two things. The first one would be go for monotone outfits. For example, a completely blacked out outfit. Outfits like these, which have like the same color in the t-shirts or the shirts or the jeans and the shoes, what happens is you look much more taller when you do this. And the second thing you can do is go for vertical stripes instead of horizontal stripes. Here the vertical stripes help to add that visual height in you. You should completely avoid the horizontal stripes because it's gonna make you appear more overweight. So don't go for horizontal stripes, go for vertical stripes. People with this body type can wear short sleeve t-shirts or shorts because it's not gonna make a bad impression, so you can go for it. There's no problem with that. Finally, the mesomorph body type. People with this body type, well, you lucky bastards. There is like almost no rules for you to follow. Anything you wear goes very well. Just make sure you pull it off in the right way, choose the right clothing items and match the colors. Well, that's the basic for every body type. Everyone should do that. But this body type in general can pull it off the best. But there's only one thing you need to keep in mind, that is don't wear too baggy clothes, because what happens is when you wear baggy clothes, like too baggy clothes, it's gonna make you appear overweight. So here's this instance. What happened with me was I found this really good sweatshirt and it was perfect in terms of my arms, chest and shoulders. The only problem was the waist. It made me look well overweight. So what I did was I went to my tailor and just got it tailored and it was completely fixed. So make sure you take care of your waist, get it tailored and it'll look perfectly fine. Other than that, well, there's no problem for this body type. It perfectly goes with almost every single clothing, whether you go for skin fit clothing, regular fit clothing, or even a little baggier clothing. It all goes with this body type. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down and let me know why you did not like this video so that I can improve it in my future videos. And guys, if you want more content like this, please consider subscribing and be a part of my journey, well, our journey to make streetwear and to make streetwear more popular in India in the right way, make people aware of fashion, why fashion is important, why skincare is important, and just spread out the word. Share this video with your friends to support. I will really, really appreciate that. Comment down below and one of you can win a shout out in my next video. And if you want to talk to me personally, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is @streetstylescape. I also have my Snapchat, so you can add me on Snapchat as well, whichever you're comfortable with. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay stylish, stay safe. Triple S out.